And, I don't always like to publish these things online, but I figure, if there's something that comes to mind, why not get it out there for you guys? So anyway, one of the things that, we've been coming up against as of late is, technology and the amount of tools and features and all that stuff that's out there in the market. We've been in the support industry for a long time, servicing customers all over the world, help desk support, ongoing on-site support, all the stuff that, to a lot of people seems like, oh, I compare it to like insurance, in some ways, I look at different providers, see who I like, and that's ultimately who I go with. I've been telling customers a lot lately, especially the new ones I get to meet with. The key to finding a great service provider is this. One of the things that people need to be thinking about in their business is how to leverage technology and ultimately get, the business intelligence, the automation, the stuff that really moves the needle for their employees, whether it's additional productivity for their employees or a more, frankly, collaborative workspace where their employees are happier to work. And that is something that, for a lot of you guys who don't know, we at Managed Solution do for our customers. When people ask me, what differentiates you guys, I say to them, one of the things we do is we walk into businesses. I don't want to give you what's called a roadmap or a network analysis right up front. I want to take my time and get to know the company and the business and ultimately the people, and then figure out what technology can do to serve them. So as I tell people all the time, there's a lot of things out there in the market right now. Take your time deciding on, first, what you as the business owner and or executives need in the business. Second, pair with people who truly have that consultative expertise, who can look at your business and then put technology tools to work. Super hard to do. It takes a lot of sitting there with the customer and understanding, really what, like I said earlier, moves the needle for them. And then third, it ultimately takes, putting these things in process and getting them to go to work. And then from there, really the support piece becomes secondary, where once things are working well, the experience, as I call it, for the user is doing what it should do and they're having a great experience. To me, the third piece is support, and support for the future becomes the end user experience. Are you, as the customer, feeling like when you call or when you see something in front of your computer or the interface you're looking at, do you get excited when you see new things and features and stuff that's going to help you do better things in your everyday job and frankly in your everyday life? And that's what we strive to do, is help people find purpose in what they do, enjoy their jobs, enjoy their personal lives, but use technology to do it. So I hope, and if you did know that about us, you feel that way when we talk to you. And again, if we can continue to help you guys as our current customers and or future customers, let us know. One more thing. Next week, Managed Solutions is having its annual open house. We just moved into this really cool facility out in San Diego, California. Historic in nature. It's called the Mission Brewery Building, and we'd welcome anybody and everybody who's interested to come join us on October 17th. And I think that starts at about 5 p.m. and it goes till, I guess we'll say it goes till the crows fly. So hopefully we see you then. And look, just thank you for everything out there, you guys. We're really enjoying being part of the IT community here in Southern California, and we continue to want to grow with you guys. Take care.